Hey hustlers, Miles here, and in today's video let's talk about how many products you need to have live on Etsy to make $10,000 a month. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, on this channel we're all about hustling hard today for a better tomorrow by building profitable income streams online. So how many products do you need to have live to make $10,000 a month on Etsy? Well, the answer is, I don't know. I've had quite a few emails and messages asking me sort of how many products you need to have live. It's completely individual and there's a lot of different factors that go into it. Design quality, type of products you're selling, the pricing, all of that stuff. But not to fear, I'm going to give you a easy goal setting strategy which I've used for great success with Etsy that will allow you to have a better idea of how many products you need to have live and also the amount of work you're going to need to do to get there. For this goal setting to work, you're going to need at least 1 month of solid data, which means you're going to need to know how much revenue made in a month and also the amount of products you have live. If you don't have this data, don't worry, just get your store up and running. Watch some of my previous videos to get started and then come back to this one. So let's just use the example of 3,000. So what you want to do is divide that by the number of products you have live. So in this case, let's say 300. So 3,000 divided by 300 equals 10. So what this means is that you make an average of $10 per item you have live on Etsy. So because you know this average now, you know how you can work out how much you need or how many products you'll need to make $10,000. So let's do it. 10,000 divided by 10 equals 1,000. So in this case, you need 1,000 products at a similar quality to the first 300 products you have had live to make 10,000. So you'd have to put 700 more products live. This figure will probably change over time as you go forward and you start producing items and stuff. But it gives you a pretty good indication of how much products you're going to need to reach your goals. Now, if you see that perhaps you need 20,000 products to reach 10,000, maybe this isn't the right business for you, or maybe you need to improve the design quality that you're currently putting out. So this simple method I use with pretty much everything I do online, and it's helped me immensely with Etsy, so I hope it helps you too. So once you've set your goal, you want to take your average and you want to reassess every month if your average is the same. So if the average is the same, great, continue what you're doing. If your average increases, fantastic. But if your average decreases by more than 50%, then you're doing something wrong. You want to stop what you're doing and figure out where it's going wrong. Maybe you're not putting up, maybe your design quality has reduced, maybe you're not picking your keywords right. Whatever it is, you want to reassess, figure out what's not working and then continue on. So if you keep this up and keep reassessing your goals every month, and you keep an eye on your average, you're going to have a much better chance and a much clearer idea of how much work and products you're going to need to have live to reach your goals. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know your goals in the comment section. Keep hustling and I'll see you in the next one.